my channel. So today I got my Happy Meal from Stamps to Life for February. Okay, let's see what's in there. So, pull out so you get, every card comes with the ID and what kind of card kit is called. So this one's called Best Friends Collection Kit for February. And this is what I was talking about, the B collection. So this is all stuff you can get that goes with it. So for the die set, we got an A1 double set. No, A1 double scallop card die. And look at that beautiful best friend. I mean, it's beautiful. So, and that's an A1 die. And then you get the pattern paper. It's beautiful. Let's flip through it real quick. Get some red and some honey, small honeys, some chevrons, some pattern paper, some other chevrons, hexagons, some browns, some bigger honeys, some bigger chevrons. Big words, it said best friends. Some yellow chevrons, some honey pots, some bees, blue chevrons, bigger best friends, green chevrons, and this is the bee. And you can use this for the die set that came with you for the month I showed you. It's here somewhere. And then she gave me another one, and some more honeys, and some bees, and some smaller ones. Oh, and then we start all over. And so you get 2 of every one. So that's the pattern paper. And then you get some twine. These is like some, not twine, this is ribbon. This is like stretchy ribbon. Like, it's like velvet orange. And this is some like brown. It's like, it's not like fuzzy. I say this also like velvet too also. No, so this is velvet and this is like stretchy. So this is brown. And then you have like these honey pops. And so here you can paint them or DI them, which way you want. And then you get some enamel dots. And you get some of these, what do you call these? Felt something. I know you felt something, but you get some of these. And you get some of these stickers with some sentiments. And then you get another die. This one says thank you. I like how this is just, I love this. It's so cute. And also has a shadow. And then for the pattern paper, so see here. So this one is Poppy. This one is, I'm assuming this one is Ginger Snap. I'm not sure about paper colors because this is new for me, so I'm not sure. I'm reading it off. I think this one is I think Blue Jay, I think. And I think this one is Twig. This one's Sunshine. This is Midnight. This one, I think it's Marigold. This one is kiwi. And then, of course, you get some powdered sugar. So, and then, of course, you get your envelopes to go with it. And so, this is everything to come in the kit. Until next time, like and subscribe. Oh, and I also forget, it also comes with you send your envelope here to put everything in so you can keep it together. So until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.